Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes we have opened huge gap down open, and after gap down there was a very good short covering rally, and even it was a narrow CPR. Whenever there is a narrow CPR the range will be trending, so it was a uptrend today, one thing. And second, it was a short covering, and third, it was a monthly expiry for July. So there was three scenarios. That's why we have seen Nifty has covered their all losses. So it has closed near yesterday's close. Suppose if there was no gap down open, then Nifty was totally bearish today. Nifty has ended up in minus 100-200 points because the data was very bearish yesterday, because FI were carrying a negative positions. So let's check everything today in open interest analysis. So open interest of big player is very interesting today. As we have seen, Bank Nifty also, it has closed 428 points negative, because Bank Nifty opened huge gap down, but it was traded in a very small range. It was consolidating today. So let's begin the open interest analysis. So let's follow by FII. In future index, yesterday they were having 69% long, 31% short. So today they have covered their longs, increased their short by 12%. So they have 57% long, 43% short. It means they started booking the profit we know earlier only. So they covered all their longs. They are not carry forwarding their longs for the next month. They are unwinding their longs. In option index contract, in call they were having 3.57 lakhs of call buying by yesterday. Today also they have unwinded 1.48 lakh contract, so they have 2.08 lakhs of call buying. And in put they were having 4.65 lakhs of put buying by yesterday. Today we have seen huge put unwinding 4.03 lakh contract. So they booked the profit in put side. So they have 61,000 contract only in put side now. So if you see, they are slight bullish in options, but they came neutral, like long versus short in future. In cash market, we have seen they are sold for 2,605 crores. So see, the view of FI is not bullish nor bearish now. In option buying versus selling, they have 56% call buying, 44% call writing, 52% put buying, 48% put writing. Client are known as retailers. In future index, they were having 47% long, 53% short by yesterday. So today they have increased their longs, reduced the short by 4%, 51% long they have, and 49% short. And in option index at call, they were having 22,000 of call writing contract. Today they have increased the call writing by 74,000 contract. So they have 97,000 call writing contract. At put they were having 6.97 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded in profit 2.18 lakh contract. So they have 4.78 lakhs of put writing contract. So see, slightly we are seeing client are turning into bullish view. And in cash market, they have sold for 425 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 47% put buying, 53% put writing. Proprietor desk in future index, they have 28% long yesterday, 72% short. So today what they did, they have increased huge positions in long, and they have unwinded short by 24%. So they become super bullish now. In future index, they have 52% long, 48% short. And in option index, they have 3.38 lakhs of call writing by yesterday. They have unwinded the call writing in profit 2.23 lakhs contract. Now they have 1.13 lakhs of call writing contract. At put they were having 1.14 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded this. Again they have buy a put of 1.19 lakhs of put buying. So see, they are bearish in options, but they came neutral in future index. But what we have seen yesterday, they were having 27% only in long. So today they have increased 24% in long. And in cash market, they have purchased for 607 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 48% call buying, 52% call writing, 52% put buying, 48% call writing. Now let's check the change in Y. What happened Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on August 1st. So here we have seen good number of short straddles at 24,400, 24,300 as well. So see, there is a very good short straddles created at every strike. It is showing the momentum has been stopped in Nifty now. So Bank Nifty monthly expiry will be on 31st July. So what we have seen, a huge put writing unwinding we have seen at 51,000, and but still the OI is there at open interest of put writers, there are still there in 51,000, but call writers are dominating this. But Bank Nifty open interest data is very much weak. Let's check the technical analysis. Before that, Nasdaq is trading slight positive by 27 points positive, and Dow is trading 258 points huge positive, and India VIX at 12.61, very much comfortable. Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has recovered from lower levels, but still it is wait and watch as per the technicals. This bullish Marabuzu candle is not stating anything. It is showing a bullish momentum, but still it is wait and watch. But as per the data, it is also sideways. So I believe Nifty will be sideways only. I don't have any view buy on dip or sell on rise for Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a huge fall after 2 days. There is a green doji candle, so it is also wait and watch as per the technicals, but data is weak. So if whenever the market is coming at a very good higher levels, we can think of sell on rise. We can think of sell on rise only. So that's it for today, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.